Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you add picture in video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So guys, as you can see, I have taken a still picture of a city. The sky is moving here, and if I want to make it a picture here, I have selected this UFO PNG. You can select any kind of PNG. Now just let's make it as big as the clip, like this. Now just click on this UFO PNG and double click on this UFO to make it as sized you like, just like it is coming from here, like here. Now if you want to move this UFO, you can do it by here, effect controls. Just click on this effect controls and select the UFO, this panel, and after that here you can see the motion. You need to expand this, and let's just put a keyframe at the beginning by clicking here, and by making it like changing these numbers, you can just make this UFO positioned like this. You can put another keyframe to the scale and make it bigger like this. Let's change the playhead and make the UFO is going this way, this right way. Like this. Let's make this UFO bigger and bigger, and the last moment of the video the UFO has gone away, like this. Now let's just check the whole video. As you can see, the video is running and the image of the UFO is also running as well, like this. So guys, that's how you can add picture in video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tactim channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.